Finny, Finny, what are we doing today?
Shooting guns.
Shooting guns. Let's see it. What are you shooting at, bud? Trying to shoot the sign.
Can
Go
you
ahead.
shoot
No,
it?
you go, bud. To your quarters. Get it, you got it. Oh, nice shot. Oh, dude. You made that dog mad. Hey, can you get the squirrel? Can you get up there? Finny, can you get the squirrel for the video? Oh, you got the bag. Okay, dude, you're a great shot, man. That's a long ways away. Shoot the squirrel. Bro. Look how far away this kid is. Look at this. He's all the way across the room. Who's this kid? Hey. Hey. Are you a good shot?
Yeah.
Really? Finny? Let's... Oh, you're out of shots. Where's your dollar? Hey, listen to me. You gave it to me.
Yeah.
You gave it to me. All right? Keep good track of your money, bud. Okay?
Hey, we got a lot more, Dad.
Did you? How many did you get? How many are there?
4.
All right, let's go.
I have to put 2 in right now,
You got
right?
the 2 in?
1, 2,
Hey, how many does two coins get you?
2.
2 and a 0 is how many? 10, 20?
20, yeah.
Okay. What are you shooting at?
I'm shooting at
You shooting for the bear? Oh, let's show him the bear. Bam. Nice. Whoa! Careful, man. You had a accidental discharge there, buddy. Trigger awareness. What are you shooting at? The guitar? Miss. Oh, you got